Money may not bring you happiness, but you know what will? Spending time with family and friends. Going on vacations, making memories with those family and friends. But you know what you need to do that? You need to have money to go on vacations. And if you're trying to work overtime to get that money to go on vacations, guess what? You're sacrificing your time with your family and friends. People work their life away and work themselves into a depression because they're just trying to make ends meet and live their life. And there's no way to go around it if you're going on the traditional path of going to a 9 to 5. What you need to do is go on your own path. Get out of your comfort zone. Start working online. Let me teach you how to bring in income online. If you don't know me, my name's Emily. I'm 22 years old. I'm a stay-at-home mama. I made my own path. I started online digital marketing 8 months ago, and I now live financially free. I get to spend time with my daughter. I get to make memories with my family, and I don't sacrifice my time for money anymore. I am telling you, this is the way out of that struggle bus. This is the way to happiness, is taking this opportunity, letting me teach you how to work off your phone, and bringing in that income to where you can live financially free. So if you want more information, just comment me down below, and I will give it to you.